Marna, and I'm here with Ina and some of her friends, and we're cracking open pecan nuts that were produced in our front yard. We have several nut trees. We have both pecan and walnut. And Pie Day this is Thursday, and Saturday is Pie Day. So guess what we're getting ready to do? That's right, a pecan pie.
Here's the start of our nut tree row. This one here is pecan. You can still see some of the pecan hull or the outer husks still attached to the tree. And going down, then there's, I think the next one is walnut, and then a pecan, and then another pecan, and a walnut, and a pecan, and a pecan, and a pecan. And you see here they just shed these right on here onto the ground here. And then here we go. Pecan, 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 not pecan. There's pecan. Here's one that didn't come out of the shell. Usually when you open these up, they're no good. Not bad though. We just come out every time we come out here and walk a dog or collect trash or go down and walk down to get the mail. We just swoop down and pick some up. Stick them in our pockets. For long, 2 bucketfuls and more. I've got 5 bucketfuls in the house. Here you can see a walnut. This is the outer shell. You shouldn't peel them without gloves because you get stained hands, but inside here is your walnut, and you can see some kind of disgusting creature. So, and there's your walnut, the kind of walnut shell you'll see in the store.
Everybody asks me why I'm so excited about the 14th of March.
Darren is ready to bake the pie, but the trolls are ready to eat the pies. They already have their utensils for eating and cutting the pie ready to go. They are very ready for Pie Day.
Okay, here we are. Now we're getting ready to make up our pecan pie. I'm not a chef. This isn't a cooking show, so we're just going to whip through it here. We've got 3 eggs and a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. They say to beat this for a couple of minutes with 1/4 cup of sugar, cup of brown sugar. Now most pecan recipes, well, if it comes out, call for, I can't even think of what it's called now. Do you remember now? The sugar syrup, corn syrup. And I don't really care for that. So I use recipes that use all sugar. Now you're supposed to mix this with the mixer for 3 or 4 minutes. We're just going to blend it together. Nobody wants to see that, and really I don't think it cares much. All I care about is the pecans getting sugar on them. Now we're going to go ahead to this. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of flour, and a little bit of salt. Mix. Fold it in, they say. Since we didn't actually form peaks with our eggs, it's not like we're going to collapse them. What do we care? Mix this up thoroughly. Blender works better, but hey, it's one more thing to clean. And this works just fine in my book. To that, we have a prepared pie crust. You can make your own. I prefer it, but it's a lot of work. We are lazy. All of those pecans Marna has labored over. It calls for 1.5 cups. We have more like 2 cups. We don't care if the pecans are a little dry. We like the pecans. Pour the mixture over the top. It'll soak in. The dog will lick the bowl. Really, it gets cleaned after. Into the oven, tented for 30 minutes, then at 350 degrees, and then another 20 to 30 minutes untented. Now, the one thing we do here differently than most folks, because we have lived in tiny houses, which is not as glamorous and fun as people like to pretend it is a pain, we like our Easy Bake Oven. So here we are, we're going to add it to our Easy Bake Oven. 350, half hour covered, 20-30 minutes uncovered. And seen a little bit. Hi, pie's out of the oven. The crew is hungry. I can never get the first piece, but we don't care. Make a mess, dig in, bon appetit. Happy Pie Day, everybody. Bye.
Our pie is eaten and it was wonderful. Please like our video and subscribe. Drop us a comment and Happy Pie Day!